welcome. This is a channel I made not too long ago. I wanted to share my hobbies, miniatures, Gundams, model kits of almost any kind. I specifically love the Mayberry Street miniature kits and Bandai Gundam kits in the high grade 1/144th scale. Today I have this model train kit from Rolife. There's some things I found frustrating about it. The wood is just too fragile for where it was used, and I had to glue some of the spots that broke. However, overall, I really like the end result. It's a really beautiful model at the end. They really made certain pieces out of like a different type of wood that was like a cheaper balsa wood that was just not strong enough for some of the connecting pieces. This is a birthday gift for my husband. He loves trains. I bought him a really nice train photo book last year for his birthday, and I kind of want to keep on theme with that and get him different train stuff every year. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will follow along with my journey in hobbying and sharing these fun model builds.